Hey, fellow Saaspreneurs and high levelers, I am super excited to start my 30-day challenge educating all things SaaS, all things high level, all things how to make money using Go High Level CRM. So I just came back from Sydney. We had our first Go High Levels Saaspreneur Summit that happened in Sydney last week, and it was exciting. I'm still tired, but buzzing with excitement. And one of the audience, Sally, she shared about her challenge on how she did a 365 days live every day in her Facebook page and how she grew her audience and how it helped. So a lot of people have joined the bandwagon and they have started their 365-day challenge. However, I'm starting small. I know my routine, my discipline, and my travel plans this year. So I don't know if I would be able to do it live. So I'm just going to start with the 30-day challenge starting the 1st of June 2025. So 30 days of continuous content creation on all my platforms to educate all things high level, all things SaaS, all things making money, simplifying offers. Pretty much, I'm going to break down my talk. So, my talk in Sydney was all about how to launch and grow your SaaS business, basically, how to get your first 10 or 20 clients, because that's the biggest challenge for most high level users, people who are on their free trial, people who pay, their monthly subscription, but don't get any clients. So, I'm going to be sharing my story and journey, authentic, raw tips. I don't fluff. I don't BS. If you know me, you know. I get cut to the chase and get straight to the meat. That if that's the kind of content you want to follow along and subscribe to my channel on YouTube or whichever platform you're watching this. Follow this journey, and you're going to get massive value for the next 30 days.